another video. Okay, so I know what this is. This is, it says meme box, but Skippers sent me this. It's a platform. It used to be Octany, in case y'all are interested of where I got this from. Okay, this is free. I did not get paid for this, not with other unboxing either. I forgot to mention. So this I chose. So this I know what it is. So this is a roll with tea tree face oil. So if you get a lot of acne like me, I get a lot of pimples. I get more pimples now that I'm an adult than when I was a teenager. I would get acne obviously as a teenager, but not intense. And I've heard that people struggle with adult acne and they didn't have a lot of acne when they were teenagers. So it's a thing. It's annoying, right? Like, why right now? But oh well, I have to deal with it. I can't change anything. So these are the ingredients. Okay, so I've tried this brand before. I tried their acne patches. Those work really good. I use them. I'm always running out of acne patches. That's how much acne I get. And these work good. It is from like it has the same ingredients. So I was like, when I saw this, I was like, I definitely need this because I know I'm gonna like this. It's gonna work for me. So I've tried one of these roll-on thingies from Elf years ago when I was a teenager. Like I mentioned, I try to use these on top of acne, but it wouldn't work. And I hope this brand works. So I haven't tried one of these since what, 10 years ago? I don't freaking know. I can't do the math, but so this is how it looks. It looks very pretty. It's green. It's like me, kind of. It's just cute. A cutie patootie. Okay, you can really see. Can you see? Oh, and this brand is cruelty free. It's vegan. It's a good brand overall, and I think it's affordable. And I think this is Korean skincare. So let me smell it. Oh, it smells like armpits. What? It kind of smells like, you know, when you go in the fitting rooms when you buy clothes, that stank. It smells kind of like armpits with like ass, or like sobaco, like suco, huele a suco. Sudori, I don't want to say the other word, but the CULO, the word, yeah, that. Coolie, I say coolie because I don't like saying the other word, sounds too intense, but okay. So this smells like BO, like somebody did not shower. So okay, now it smells like tea tree. Oof, thank God. I was freaking out. Now it smells good, like healthy. Not like BO, because well, some people, when you go into the fitting rooms, please shower, okay? Before you try on clothes. And if you didn't get to shower or you're sweating because it's hot outside, don't freaking try clothes on, please. I'm begging. Okay, thank you. PSA of today's video. Like, if I know, like, listen, trust me, like, if TMI, I don't care, but when you go outside, you end up sweating. Is when it's hot, like summertime, spring, and then you need to try on clothes because you don't know if it's gonna fit you. I don't go in the fitting room. I'm like, I'm not gonna risk it. I am sweating today because it's hot outside. I'm not gonna try that shirt on or whatever you want to try, because I know that I might get, like, you know, it might smell, like, you don't know. Maybe you're the type of people that doesn't smell but still don't risk it, because imagine having like sweaty clothes on when you try on and you don't know who used it before. If you're gonna buy it, then I don't care, but and there's shirts that I try on it had like makeup stains, or I remember one time you can kind of tell that somebody didn't shower or they were just sweaty that day, or maybe they did shower. But anyway, that's a whole nother topic. But It smells good now. The first layer smelled like somebody didn't shower. But now it smells like tea tree oil. It smells pretty strong. So I'm not going to be able to test it today because I have makeup on. But I will. Trust me. I'm going to probably put a clip here. So yeah. This is PETA approved. This is, it has like apple seed oil, camellia seed. I don't know what camellia is. I just know camellia. That it's seed oil. This is very good for acne. Acne tea tree. But yeah, trust me, it works. And even y'all probably don't know who it is, but Alejandra Guzman, that freaking singer, that Mexican singer. Yeah, probably don't know. Like, most people don't know her because I have an English audience. But she raves about using this ingredient all the time, and her skin is very clear. So even she uses it. So I'm not lying to y'all. It really works. Okay. So that's basically it for this unboxing. It's mainly me talking about smelly people. But yeah, this is basically it for today. No, this box is ruining the view. the sexy view. Not because of me. The freaking roller is sexy, not me. I'm kidding. Okay, so whatever. Tintan, whatever. I'm gonna end it. Okay, so yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. So bye. Thanks for watching. Okay.